This is the part people see, the confidence, the ease. But this, sis, did not and does not happen overnight. This is what happens when you finally just make the choice. You move through the transition and you've taken the time and you've been patient with yourself to understand your hair. This is mastery. This is where women create a look that feels like them, your own authentic you. It's not trendy. Like I said, we don't do trends around here. It's not performative, but it's intentional, sis. This finally is where your gray hair becomes part of your identity, not something that you have to explain. You dress with ease, you style with confidence, you stop asking for permission. And that's the glow that people notice. And if you want continued support during this season, sis, I'm opening a brand new YouTube membership. It's a space for deeper conversations that I cannot have in the comment section. And if you want that behind the scenes guidance and more glow up support. And it's specifically for women who aren't just going gray, they are living it. It's just a part of your identity and a part of your authenticity. If that sounds like you, sis, then you are definitely invited. Remember, sis, going gray does not mean you're letting yourself go. It means you're letting yourself glow. And if you want more support digitally, check out our suite of digital products. Our ebook and our style digital products are available for you. Everything is in the description section below. Peace.